Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 and 10 could not reconnect all network devices. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type gpedit.msc and open it. After opening the local group policy editor, and first of all select the administrator templates and expand it. After that, select the system and expand it. After doing this step, find out a login. Now here is the log on, and after doing this step, open always wait for the network at computer startup and login. So open it, and after doing this step, enable it and apply an OK button. After doing this step, close the group policy editor and restart it. I am sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type regedit dot regedit. So open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all select the HKey local machine and expand it. After that, select a system and expand it. After that, select a current control set and expand it. After doing this step, select a control and expand it. After doing this step, find out a network provider. Now here is a network provider, select it, and after doing this step, right click on new and select the 32-bit value and set a name is restore connection. R is a capital and C is a capital. So select it and open it and make sure that it select a value data is 0. Click an OK button, and after doing this step, close the registry editor, and after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.